Okay, so of all the YouTube videos I've watched putting a fuel pump in a Sportster 1200, nobody has shown that you actually need to unscrew the quick coupler fitting, taking the old pump out and putting the new pump in, because if you don't, the tolerances are so tight, you'll destroy everything in the old pump trying to pull it out, and you'll break parts of the new pump trying to fit it in. Another clip on the Harley Davidson Sportster fuel tank, when we're replacing the fuel pump, instead of taking your gasket and trying to fit everything in with the gasket in your way, constantly getting in your way, having to hold out of your way, once you get everything seated and fit in there, just go back behind it, put your gasket over your cord, stretch it over with the fat side pointing up so the wedge is down to the tank. Stretch it over. Once you get it all in place, it'll go right in there. And once you seat it in place, this way you'll save yourself a whole headache of having to redo it over and over again, fighting it while you're putting the pump down into the tank. It's a lot easier this way, guys, gals, all of y'all. See, now we've got it in there, we seat it down, and we're ready to put the bolts in.